Do you own Brita pitcher? That is the water filtration pitcher, this one. I've got you this filter replacement that lasts you 3 times the life of the regular ones that I used to bring them. This is amazing, and look at it. Look. It has a pleated filter technology that will last you 3 times longer the filter life, and it has activated carbon that reduces the chlorine taste and odor. Also fibrous matrix that hold active ingredients for no black flecks. Isn't that amazing? Let's start installing it. First we are going to remove this here, then we're gonna hold it from the top. Then we're gonna install it and press in place. Then we're gonna add the water. Then we're gonna close the lid. And here we can see this is the max full for the water for the Brita pitcher. Then we're gonna press on reset, especially for like the first time, and it's flashing green, which means it's in good standing. This is the filtration. I hope you like it and stay healthy. Cheers.